Let it go, let it go. Turn away, let that door. I don't care if far I go. Welcome to my channel. Gothamatplay, and we're gonna unbox Frozen 2. But before that, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit the button down. So thank you for hitting the like button below. And now let's unbox this Frozen 2 now. Are you guys excited? Let's meet Stan. And now our second contestant is Crystal. Now I'm lost in the woods. And now our third contestant is Olaf. Who's gonna be the snowman? Go and play. I'm so excited for the first contestant. It's Anna. For the first time in forever. Okay guys, are you ready for the first contestant? The winner of the fashion show. It's Elsa. Let it go, let it go. Turn away, let that door. I don't care if far I go. That's all. Her cape is so pretty. Hello, sister. There's somebody else need to invite? Hey, how about me? Hey, Spoon! It's the Savannah family. Yep, we know the Savannah family. So messy in their house, we must clean it. We must go to Arendelle. Let's go! Arendelle. Hey, Olaf, come on! Okay, I'm coming. Thank you, guys. Okay, guys, that was a good Gothamatplay, and make sure to subscribe to our channel. Hit the door button. Bye, guys!
Thanks for watching Gothamatplay. Don't forget to subscribe.